determine whether or not I fixed the transmission intercooler leaks. I've got my white sheet of FRP panel under here. I've got the engine started up. I've got my intercooler lines here. All new ones. I've got a lot of stuff cleaned up here in an attempt to make sure that any leaks that are going on are going to be new. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to just let her run for a little bit. Hopefully I can see whether or not there's any leaks. From these lines. And let her go for a while. Yes, you're within the inner workings of the engine, not the inner workings, but the underside of my RV. There's a couple of the power steering hoses. I'm suspect about those as well, but we'll have to tackle those at a different time. So I've got, you can see here, there's like some dripping up here on this bed. But I think a lot of it had to do with the fact that it was literally spraying or dripping down from one of the upper hoses. I'm going to run that now and wipe it down. Get that cleaned off as best I can. See if I can detect any leaks. Over here. So this is what some of these hoses looked like. As you can see here, they're not exactly, this one's really tore up and chewed up and really pinched. Trying to get a good view here of it. And it was swelled up. So that's a fairly old hose. This one was a fairly new hose. This looks like the one that was replaced by the mechanic. It was dated 1130. Well, that's not even that one. I gotta get this one. So this one here is dated, looks like June 23rd, 2016, and it's 5/16. And the ends look okay. I mean, they look like they've been compressed. But I didn't even want to, this one doesn't look like it's been compressed much at all, but there's some marks on it. But this one really looked distorted, like it was really stretched out compared to this one. So I'm like, I'm just going to replace that one too. Put new clamps on it. And let's open this up. Again, trying to deal with the hoses here. The newer clamp up here. Checking for leaks on this end. It's a little beat up, but that was the intercooler that was in here. And it's pretty much cleaned up. Let me just hit the, see that running. There we go. Get her right down there. That's right, back where she needs to be. So, now before this thing was leaking like crazy. Like you could park for a while. And there were leaks dripping all over the place. As you can see from this, I think there might be something over here. Nope, not even there. That's actually some crap from me. But I've got it all centered under here. So any leaks that happen, I'm going to let it run for a while. Any leaks that occur, I'm going to be able to see them. You can see there's still stuff like dripping. I mean, literally the spray from these hoses up here were so bad, it was going all over my tie rods and all sorts of crazy stuff. I mean, I was really shocked about how far all this junk sprayed everywhere, and I thought, my gosh, what is going on? This whole thing is like filthy and greasy and whatever. And then I realized, oh no, that's me driving up the hills, and the transmission fluids just literally lubricate and preserve the chassis. But in other ways, it really didn't do me any favors, because I mean, obviously it made things pretty cruddy and oily. Get in there. So there doesn't look to be any dripping there, but I'm going to let it run for a little bit. See what's going on. Yep, there's my airbags. I love my airbags, man. They're awesome. They have really helped me on the drive when I've hit some bumps, and helped cushion the ride quite a bit. Really enjoyed having those in there. Talk to you guys later when I let this run for about 15-20 minutes. See you soon. Well, here it is. It's about 40 minutes later. We got a couple little drips, but they're so far away from where the transmission leaks were that these may be just warmed up drips that are coming off the frame. So not too bad considering what we had before. That's pretty nice, and boy is it warm under here now. Definitely warmed up. And look under here. Up here. Yeah, transmission definitely is up to temperature, and we're in good shape here. Okay. So, yep. So tried that out. Seems to be working out okay. We got those leaks taken care of, which is awesome. Talk to you later.